Dude, it's not freaking doing it.
Let me see. Let me show you.
I guess it is. I just can't see it. Okay. What CD's in there real quick?
I don't know.
How do you know? Okay, cash.
What are you doing?
Put it in the microwave. Yeah!
Keep it going.
Yeah, no, dude!
Why not?
Keep it going. Keep it schmoing.
Another one.
Dang, playa. Wait, hold on, dude. It stinks.
Ramones.
No, dude. 311, Limp Biscuit.
Come on.
Bye-bye. Put it in, dude. Come on. We gotta clean it anyway. Look at it. Those are from Refi Beans, Holla. Sorry,
Watch.
Fred Durst.
Close it real quick. Close it real quick.
Just push start, dude. What, dude?
Watch, dude. By the time it gets right here, boom. Perfect timing. Ready? Watch. Oops.
Yeah, 1 second, dude. Just clear off. 1. Cash. Dude, those are some deadly fumes too. I think it's, dude, it's smoking up in here. Seth, wake up. We're burning CDs, homie. Seth, wake up. We're burning CDs, dude, while you're sitting here watching Bill Nye the Science Guy. We're burning CDs, okay? Cash. It's 4 in the morning. See that? 4 o'clock in the morning, we're burning CDs, talking about stuff.